Hello guys, welcome to Tech. Right, today we will be discussing the hack that actually went on the Hotbit account. It was actually a cyber hack that actually went on this particular site. Well, so many would have been wondering how safe is their coin on that particular platform. This is one good reason you have to use a trusted wallet. You have to be using trusted, not just trusted wallets, trusted sites that deals with crypto coins and the likes. So in case there is any attempt of hacks, it can be foreseen very quickly and be reinstalled very quickly. Unlike before, it became too late that nothing can be done about it. So Hotbit is one of the most is a site that you can be rest assured that your coins are safe in there. All you just need to do is to believe in this guy, and let's see what he can do in the next 7 to 14 days. Alright, so this is exactly what the Hotbit announced from this news. I'm having this from bitcoin.com. Now, a cryptocurrency exchange with about 2 million users worldwide announced that it has suffered a serious cyber attack. A number of basic services are paralyzed, and the attack tried to access the exchange wallet. Consequently, the platform has shut down, stating that it needs to perform a comprehensive inspection, which is expected to last 1 to 2 weeks. Now, this is exactly what Hotbit says themselves. Hotbit just suffered a serious cyber attack starting around 8 p.m. UTC, April 29, 2020, which led to the paralyzation of number of some basic services. Well, this is quite challenging and it's quite unbelievable. It makes so many frightened whether their coin is still safe or not. But let me proceed with this. I will tell you something. The announcement adds that the attackers also tried to hack into Hotbit wallet, but the exchange claims that the attempt was identified and stopped by our risk control system. This is exactly what the Hotbit themselves say. Now, the exchange says that it is about to exceed 2 million registered users and has a huge service system architecture of more than 200 servers online. In order to ensure security, Hotbit team will completely rebuild all servers. Well, I think it's a good step for the Hotbit to take, and it's really necessary now. While insisting that all customers' assets are safe and secure, the exchange announced that Hotbit team has shut down all services for inspection and restoration immediately. Regarding the recovery period, the exchange expects it to take about 7 to 14 days, emphasizing that it is expected to be less than 7 days. Furthermore, the estimated time of recovery will be more as all things going on. Following the hack announcement, crypto transfers were spotted from Hotbit addresses. The exchange claims that the transfer resulted from them creating new cold wallet. I just hope everything is okay. Well, you don't need to get frightened with anything. I believe everything will be fine because Hotbit is one of the genuine crypto related platform that you can deal with. The exchange explained that the attackers deleted the user database after failing to obtain assets. It also warned that the attacker has already gained access to the database, so users' registered mobile number, email address, and asset data may have been leaked. Whilst stating that the database is backed up. The company says we are still uncertain whether the attacker has polluted data or not before the attack, justifying the need for a comprehensive inspection. So I think at the end of the day we are going to have something positive regarding this, and it actually seems terrifying, especially for those who are having a huge investment in such a platform. So we hope everything goes well, and let's wait for this 7 day to 14 days and see what happens to the Hotbit. And I hope and wish that everything will go smoothly well, their investigation, and everything will come out to be positive, and you guys don't need to be afraid. Hotbit can be reliable. Alright, thank you for watching this video, and do stay safe. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel so you won't have to miss any subsequent awesome videos that will come regarding the crypto coins and how to invest in the cryptocurrencies and every other thing you want to talk about regarding the crypto world. Okay, you find it here on this channel. Don't forget to like this video so it can be recommended to other people who are searching for this video. Do have a pleasant day. I remain Oshekotek.